Sometimes growth means returning to who you were. Life changes us, sometimes gradually, sometimes through storms. Along the way, it's easy to lose touch with the core of who we truly are. Finding yourself again is about reconnecting with that essence. It's a gentle journey back home. Your identity isn't lost, it's just layered. Rebuilding it means peeling back what no longer serves you and rediscovering the parts that feel authentic. Ask yourself, what values still matter to me? What activities genuinely spark joy? What accomplishments, big or small, make me feel proud? Each reflection is a step toward reclaiming your true self. Think of it not as starting over, but as remembering. Your identity evolves, but your core remains. It's about clearing away the noise to hear your own story again. Self-connection is the bridge between who you were and who you're becoming. Spend time alone, not to isolate yourself, but to hear your own voice again, away from the influence of others. Notice what truly energizes you, what brings a sense of calm to your mind, and what excites your spirit. These small, intentional moments of awareness are your compass, guiding you back to your center. Whether it's a walk in nature or just sipping tea in silence, this quiet time is where you'll find the clarity you've been missing. Finally, finding yourself again isn't about trying to become your past self. It's about integrating all the parts of you, who you were with who you've become through all your experiences. Growth doesn't erase your essence. It enriches it, adding new layers of wisdom and strength. When you embrace your present self fully, with all its history and potential, you discover a profound sense of freedom and clarity. You are both the journey and the destination. Sometimes the most profound growth is simply returning to who you were all along. So listen to your inner voice, reflect on your journey, and reconnect with your spirit. Let your authentic self guide the way. You don't have to search endlessly for something you think is lost. You've always been there, just waiting to be remembered. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a more intentional life.